Hey, what is going on today, guys? So last video we reviewed these TikTok ceramic bearings and found out they did quite well. They actually rated gold. But yeah, so other than that, we're going to wash these out because they did make quite a little bit of noise out of the box. But yeah, other than that, let's get to cleaning these out and see what happens.
Yeah. Riding down the street with my crew so tight. Skateboard wheels rolling under the light. Hitting all the spots where the pavement feels right. Living for the moment every day and night. Pizza in my hand while the sun goes down. Laughing with my friends as we own the town. Skating hard, we never fade. Every trick we got is made to amaze. Through the streets we chase the blaze. Living fast in endless days.
Alright, so these bearings definitely now get, if they came like this, I would certify them platinum, but unfortunately they still certify at gold. They are quite a bit better after oiling and cleaning them, so they would get into that platinum status, but unfortunately I would say the fact that you would have to clean them and oil them out of the box, definitely not good. So other than that, don't forget to like, comment, follow, and subscribe. See you guys next video.